Sorry. Hi everybody, how are you? I'll discuss about Qubittech online earning platform. Qubittech is most and popular earning platform in this time. It is one of the most popular earning platform, you can say. Qubittech. Qubittech. What is Qubittech? Qubittech is online investment site and online earning site. You can write in your Google or address bar, any browser address bar, Qbtech, qb tech, qbtech.com or qbtech login. Then qbtech site. This qbtech site. Okay. Then click here. You can login it. Login. CSC into at the rate gmail.com password. Then you can see in this in that interface. At first you can see the interface willingly. You can see in this position a menu. If you do click on menu, you can see more option, robots, main panel, my network, affiliate links, top 30, main panel. What do you mean main panel? This is called main panel, my network. Your network, which network you are staying in this moment, and how many people are joining in your network. You can see in that link. Affiliate link. If you want anybody to join in your affiliate site, under if you want join anybody under you, then you can click affiliate link, as I am clicking. Please see, you have seen two link, left side link and right side link. You can join any site. If you join, then how much can get you facilities, I am explaining later. You can see top 30. If you click 30, then you can see 30 top position, who are top position 30 in the world. It is not only one country, it is a worldwide company and a very famous company, Qubittech company. uh, in that position is a place one rank, name Andrew Zatev. He is Moldova. The strike team top, Turkey. It is Turkey. Gold Qubittech. It is Russia. Uh, you can see Moldova, Turkey, Russia, Slovakia, Germany, Ukraine. Various countries are from joining in the site. Thailand, Peru, Ukraine, Italy, Spain. Anyway, how can do you work in that site? At first, we can go main panel. You have six packages. You have seen six packages: bronze, silver, gold, platinum, bronze, silver, gold, platinum. As bronze plus, silver plus, gold plus, platinum plus. Bronze package. As bronze package. Huh. As a bronze package. Please see bronze package. Bronze package is bronze package is 100. It is minimum investment. Then silver package. silver package is 1000, uh, uh, gold package is 10,000, platinum package is 50,000, and bronze plus, so bronze 100 and bronze plus 500, silver 1000, silver plus 5000, gold 10,000, gold plus 25,000, platinum 50,000, and platinum plus 1 lakh thousand. 1 lakh thousand is highest. You can invest bronze, silver, gold, platinum, bronze, etc. plus etc. If you invest minimum bronze package and you can monthly, you will profit $25. You will get 25,000 monthly, and total you will get 250 dollars. If you invest silver package $1,000, you will get monthly $250, and at the last time, after 10 months, you will get 2,500. If you invest gold package $10,000, you will get monthly to $2,500, and after 10 months you will get $25,000. If you have no any Bitcoin wallet, you can create a Bitcoin account. How can create Bitcoin account? If you search how can create a Bitcoin account on YouTube, you can see available video. Then to see the video, you can create an Bitcoin account. Then add in that Bitcoin account and add wallet. When you click add wallet, then you adjust the wallet. uh, Others income affiliate program, others income direct bonus. If you can join anybody, you can 7% instant bonus from that. If you invest $1,000, then you will get from them 7%. 7%. It is very interesting. If anybody invest $1,000, 7% equal, you'll get $70. If anybody invests $1,000 under you, or in your reference, then you will get bonus, direct bonus 7%, binary bonus 10%. Binary bonus, what do you mean binary bonus? Binary bonus, that means matching bonus. Matching binary bonus, that means 3%. Binary bonus, what do you mean binary bonus? Binary bonus, just see. If anybody invest $500 in this site, $500, then you can get binary bonus, 3% binary bonus. Do you understand? How can do you join anybody? If you want anybody to join in this site, at first you will go the link. I will give you a link. According the link, I will give you a link, and you will click the link. Then you can see I have explained before. How can you registration. At first you registration from my link, then you can deposit here. Deposit, how can deposit it? In this position you can deposit it, pay now, or you can pay now. If you joined in a bronze package, then click the bronze package and pay now, and if you have available balance in your wallet, then you can click I have paid, then it will be paid. That's okay. How can deposit it? You can at first deposit, click deposit, and then amount. In this position you can write, if you want 100 deposit, you want 100 deposit, then you can write 100 and deposit. 100 deposit BTC. Okay. When you will start earn, then your balance will be shown in this position. Available balance is shown in this position, and when you want to withdraw, then you can click in this position, withdrawal, and you can withdraw your fund from this wallet. I am ending with expectation that I will come up with another new video. Thanks everybody.